Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to find archived emails in Gmail. Let's get straight into it. If you've got an email that seems to have disappeared from your inbox, it may have been archived. Archived emails aren't deleted. They're simply removed from your inbox and stored elsewhere in Gmail. To find them, we'll start in the inbox for my Gmail account. I'm logged in. From the menu on the left-hand side, I'm going to click the All Mail option. When you're looking at your inbox, you're only seeing a sub-view of all your emails, but clicking All Mail will allow you to see every email in your Gmail account. This includes emails that are currently in your inbox and emails that have been archived. One way to identify an archived email is by looking for messages that do not have the inbox label. In this view, you'll see that a number of emails are displayed without this label. If you're trying to find a specific archived email, Gmail also provides a quicker method. Click in the search box. I'll now type in a special search. I'll type the word is, followed by a colon, and then the word archived. Once that's done, I'll then press enter on my keyboard. Gmail will now display all archived emails that match your search. You can scroll through these results until you find the email you're looking for. You can also narrow down your search if you know the title or subject of the email by adding that word to the search and running that. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.